officially leaving Hollywood for good. Johnny Depp. Months have passed since the jury in the defamation trial sparked by Depp's lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard in the Fairfax County, Virginia, Circuit Court mainly sided with him. The couple's marriage lasted from 2015 to 2017, and by their own admission, it was anything from smooth. Following their divorce in 2018, Heard penned an opinion column for The Washington Post in which she painted herself as a formidable victim of domestic abuse that Depp claims was a creation in Heard's imagination and a part of a scheme to demolish him. Notwithstanding the fact that Heard avoided mentioning Johnny Depp by name in the essay, the court concluded that Heard intended to harm his reputation by making it appear as though she had been victimized by him. Undoubtedly a malicious scheme, but one that succeeded in many Hollywood circles. For many, the 34 years Depp had spent developing his acting career up to that point suddenly held little significance as they slavishly followed Heard's example and immediately perceived Depp as a wife-beater, an abuser. He was forced to oppose it since he had no other option. Depp stated in his statement during the trial, which started on April 11, 2022, and ended on June 1, 2022, that he sued Heard to clear his name for the sake of his kids, Lily Rose and Jack Depp. On June 1, 2022, even before the verdict was announced, Depp had already left for Europe to perform with his friend, the late musician Jeff Beck. Depp and Beck went on a tour and performed at various locations. After Beck's sudden death from bacterial meningitis on January 10, 2023, Depp apparently moved to London and hasn't yet made it back to the United States. According to reports, Depp has no plans to settle back in Hollywood. Depp isn't going back to the United States, so why? According to The Times, Depp feels much more at home in major European capitals like London or Paris than he does in American places. According to a source close to Depp, the actor's choice is based on comfort and preference. He stated, and New York's bustle and craziness can be draining. Despite the fact that London and Paris are vibrant, busy places, Johnny still feels that he can unwind and express himself there. People in Europe adore him because he has always enjoyed it there. He is completely at home there and like the European way of life. Whatever the reason Johnny Depp left the and Hollywood environs, we wish him the best of luck in all of his future pursuits, whether they be domestic or international. The only thing this writer can conclude is that Hollywood has it coming if he's turning away from the traditional Hollywood acting scene as a result of how he's been treated in recent years.